We can be here in the middle of the Bulgaria. It's really like
kind of rich feeling.
Yeah, really rich feeling. What? That feeling that we have everything that we own with us. Our home is. We can set up our home wherever we like, even if it's Bulgaria or Serbia or Hungary or Germany or whatever. Amazing feeling when you realize it.
Yeah, our life is here.
Life is here, and it's pretty damn good life.
Good life, yeah.
Pulla ja Dinu is enjoying the sun.
But
over
they
there.
don't know what's coming. It's
Nail clipping time.
When we bought this, we always have wondered what's the dashboard holes in these Ducato vans. But now we know.
They are for avocado.
Yes, perfect size for storing and making them ripe. Mystery solved. They are for avocados. Off we go.
Bye bye, beautiful boondocking. Bianchi.
Oh, dolce.
Dolce Cacco. Cafe. We have arrived. The Tashka cave. It's this place. It is said that if you see a white horse, you will be dead in a few hours. Cave number 3 in Bulgaria. This was paid again. It was 1.2 euros the entrance, so that's not much. And as you can see from the cave, it's again huge. There's always more than 10,000 bats, even 35,000 bats on some year hibernating. And that's why it's closed, I think, on the winter time.
Yeah. I wish we could drive our van here.
Yeah, that would be nice. Living in a cave in a van, that's the dream. So the largest bats that are here, their wingspan is this billboard's size.
Kind of big.
Kind of big.
And the smallest one is
Just a gummy bear.
gummy bear size.
Flappity flap flap.
Yeah, the Transylvania is near us.
I found my new favorite lemonade. It's coffee cola. Lots of caffeine and it's
tastes like Vanatallin drink without the alcohol.
yes.
Our dog sure loves sun, as you can see. Pulla stays in the only sun place. Even he is having hot feelings at the moment.
I don't know what those knots are because everyone makes those knots here and put them on leaves.
Like a bracelet.
Yes, I don't know.
What's up with that?
Some religion thing, I think.
Yeah.
This looks pretty awesome, but it's now closed. Attention, entry is strictly forbidden. Danger of falling rocks. They have padlocked the door, so maybe this time we don't go. These caves works really good as a boondocking place. So I think everyone that we have visited is possible to boondock easily there, and it's basically a good spot because you are in a tourist place and you are a tourist. So I think someone coming to say that you cannot park there for a night is slim to none. And I think I'm gonna add some of these caves to the Park 4 Night app so people can come here when they are traveling through Bulgaria.
These roads are kind of bumpy and potholes full and everything.
Everything is knocked down.
But some roads are really good condition.
Interesting place. Lake Reservoir that is a bit dry at the moment. And there's cottages there. People living there. And I think we are gonna go forward and boondock somewhere there. I found this place from Google Maps satellite view, and there was lots of cars. And there's like between those trees there's places that you can park your car in a shade. And I think there's some vans and camper vans also on the summertime because it's like made for camping, those pitches. And there's lots of fishermen. There's a boat ramp on the other side of this lake there, and also in satellite view you can see that there's like dozens of cars.
Can you hear? I think there some gypsies live there, like the real ones with the horses and everything, so nice. Door is open and we have every window open. But this awning thing we haven't used it.
Once I think we opened.
Once when we
yeah, we
bought
just to see how it works.
Yeah.
There was wild hogs around us. Actually, there was lots of wild hogs on this area. There was one on the other side of the lake and one in here just beside our van. And they make a lot of noise. A lot of noise. So we were a bit afraid to go peeing in a forest at the midnight time, but we made it. Yes, but they are making a really hard noise, screaming like babies. Oh. Thank you, Bulgaria, again
for providing this
magnificent
lakeside shore.
Lakeside shore.
Kinda hot day ahead.
Yes. Yes, got the LPG filled, so 25 liters and I think 10 days.
Yeah.
So, not much.
Yeah, we haven't used it in the daytime, so it saves a lot. Spring is here, so we have a little decoration in our car. A table linen, kinda small, but it's there and it's green. Again.
Seems like really like Finland.
Houses, green.
Houses, okay, they have different kind of curtains and
Air
conditioners outside, but if we take those out, this is just like Finland. We did tell you that let's go to Colette's.
So
Here we are. Little village that we're gonna spend 2 nights here, and yeah, let's see what kind of village this is.
Yes. Let's go, let's.
There's this let's go chalets, cabins that you can rent. So we are here. Kinda nice. Really lovely. Yeah. Check out our room. Like really beautiful. There's like the old fashioned way that they have done the walls.
And the ceiling.
Ceiling bars are black, as we have seen before in here in Bulgaria.
Yeah. Best part of this is the ducks can be here too. Yes, they are allowed to be here.
Nice toilet, big ass shower, like twice as 3 times bigger than our shower in car, and unlimited water, of course. Lovely breeze! Lovely breeze, and like a bus. That's like how the pros do it. I'm a pro. About our YouTube comments that we get, we try to answer it because We basically can answer it only when we are with the laptop in a Wi-Fi, and it's not that often. So if we don't answer your comments in videos, don't be.
It's nothing personal.
No, we are offline so much.
Yeah, and usually when we have a Wi-Fi, we try to upload a new video and do the
maps and
check out the bank accounts and pay the bills online and everything important.
So we search for boondocking place, upload, download new maps and
Google for the next country.
There's so much to do when we get to Wi-Fi, so we don't have time.
But we read everyone.
Yeah, we read everyone, and
so
it's really,
it's
been really like
high point of
astonishing, read all those comments.
Thank you.
The old dog, the cold weather is better, but the young wants to be on the sun.
Your beer is full of ants and bees.
Ants, my beer. My beer is full of ants. Please keep that. Ants. Go away. Up there, you can see the yellow building. It's the sauna. So we get the sauna there. And also the grill is up there. So we're gonna grill some things there. And the main thing... sauna. Some sauna, awesome chalets, awesome place, awesome grill. We're gonna show the grill tomorrow when we grill there, and total of awesomeness. Yes, but now we're gonna get naked and just sauna.
Enjoy communism. And you can take letters as a souvenir. You just picked them up from there.
Yeah.
They are in hooks.